you have interest in being a market partner in Zero Hunger Market, watch this video from beginning to the end. You understand everything in details. First and foremost, you have to activate your account through an agent. So once you have activated your account and you log in, this is where you are going to see yourself. Activating your account, an agent will help you activate your account. If you go to Zero Hunger Market, let me go to the home page. So this is what you see. You can see an agent here. Connect with an agent here. It will help you activate an account. If there's an agent in your area or a person that claims to be an agent, come here and check. If he's not listed here, he is not an agent. He is not an agent unless you know the person one-on-one. Let no person carry your money and they not do anything for you. So let me go back to wallet. Immediately you have activated your account, you will come here. What is the next thing? You want to be a market partner, which means you need to fund your account. Step 2, fund your account. If you come here, you can fund your account here. You can fund your account here. Or an agent can help you fund an account. Once you have realized that this is an agent and he helps you activate an account, he can also help you to fund your account by making use of sending funds. He can send funds. Once you provide him with your endorsement ID, he can send funds to you, fund the account. But charges might be involved in this case. To fund the account here, you click on fund account. Here, if you're funding accounts here, the minimum is 10,000 naira. But through an agent can even fund the account with 100 naira or 200 naira. That is step 2. Here, you also make withdrawals here. So that is all about funding accounts. That is step 2. After you now have balance, you have funded the account, you have money here. What is the next thing? Step 3. Go to exchange. This is what I'm talking about. You can find exchange here, or you can find it here. If you go to exchange, this is where you buy the market unit. If you scroll, you just check the market unit that you can buy, the one you can afford to buy. And here, there is something interesting I want to show you, because you can leverage here to make at least 100,000 naira every single month. But it's not when you start with 100 naira or you start with 1,000. At least if you can start with 50,000 and above, though it depends on the price that you are buying here. So it might not be any amount, but let me just tell you the strategy you're going to follow. First, if you come here, look at this. Always be looking at this unit order price. Be looking at this unit order price. You can buy at this unit order. This is 0.09 and sell at a higher price. Let's say, for instance, I want to show you a practical now. Let me use calculator. You want to buy 100,000 units and you are buying it at that unit order price. 100,000 multiplied by 0.09. It means you are going to spend 9,000 naira to buy 100,000 units. This is the mathematics behind it too. So if you are going to be selling and you are now selling at 100,000, that's by, let's say, 0.2. What are you getting? 20,000. 20,000 minus 9,000 is 11,000 naira profit that you're going to get. You see the practical now. But this app is reloading. I don't like this. Let me go to exchange again. So that is one of the strategy here. Then if you come here, as a partner, you get daily profit share. That is called daily dividend from the total profit realized in Zero Hunger Market. It is not that when you buy 2,000 units, every day you'll be getting this amount of money. The money increases. This is not a Ponzi scheme. And let me show you how it operates. If I go to menu now, I go to get dividend. So I'm qualified for 554 naira for today. And how many units do I have? I have 1.3 million units. this money can increase or decrease based on the available money here. So if zero hunger market is generating more and more money every day, anything you do, you find out that this money keeps increasing. If I withdraw my dividend, this money will be minus. So it is a total collection of all the activities that is happening in zero hunger market. So it can increase or decrease. There's no fixed money like, if I buy 200,000 units, how much will I be earning every day? There is no fixed amount. It keeps increasing or decreasing depending on the volume of transaction. People that are buying food stuff, people that are engaging in indices trading, people that are engaging in a lot of things in zero hunger market. That's what increases the total profit. So you are getting your own share of the profit. That's why it's called daily profit share or the dividend. So, and this transaction record is very important. So I want to tell you another strategy. Another strategy is that tell yourself how much do you want to be earning every day. The more you buy units, the more you see that this is increasing. This is increasing based on the number of units that you have. So you can just keep buying units depending on how much you can afford. Then, minimum for you to be claiming dividend every day is 100,000 units. Now, if you buy that 100,000 units, you can just be selling. You can buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. But just like now, I cannot go and be selling this one. If I want to sell, I will buy again and sell. This might look complicated, but I just want to tell you how it operates. So you can buy, let's say you buy 1 million units. You have it here. You can buy another 100,000 units and come to exchange and start reselling. You will resell in order to get more profit. So after buying, you can start reselling at a higher price, but don't sell at a very high price. For instance, if I want to resell at that 0.02, let's say I bought 100,000 units at 0.09. So this is 100,000 units, and I want to sell it. How much did I get that time? 20,000. That is 0.2. So you just do the mathematics. You bought at 0.2. Now, if you bought at 0.2 and you want to resell at 0.4, how much are you going to sell it? You now say 100,000. 100,000 multiplied by 0.4. That is 40,000. But don't come here and just put 20,000 straight. You can divide this 100,000 into 5. 100,000 divided by 5 is what? This is 100,000 divided by 5 is 20,000. So you want to be selling it 20,000. You now come here and say, I want to sell 20. That's why I don't like using the app. The app will keep closing and let me. So I want to sell 20,000 units. 20,000. And I want it to be, so that 20,000 divided by, it will be 4,000. If I sell it 4,000 naira, it will be 0.2. I can divide it into 10, and I will be selling at 10,000. 10,000, I will now sell it at what? 2,000. So just do this mathematics correctly. So you can sell it 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000 by at what? At which rate? To 2,000 naira. So you're going to create sell orders, 5, that is 10 sell orders for you to sell 100,000 units. So that is the strategy 2. Strategy 1 is what? Buy units at a lower price based on these units. Then strategy 2 is when you want to be reselling and buy the unit that, so you might not be interested in reselling. So if you're just interested in claiming your daily profit share, you can do it here. And again, if you have up to 5 million share units, though I don't have it, so you can come to fixed dividend here, and when you come to fixed dividend, you can claim, I don't have it, what you claim is 5,000 naira. The daily reward that you claim is 5,000 if you have up to 5 million units. So I just want to, I'm not qualified. That's why I don't want to make reference to it. I'm not qualified for that for now. So, but reselling in order to increase your transaction record, very important. So that is what? Step 3. Then step 4 is people that want to be training indices. So once you have up to 100,000 units every day, come to get dividend once every 24 hours in order to claim your dividend. I've not claimed today, so I'm going to claim it. I'll just enter my transaction pin. Make sure you keep your transaction pin intact. You enter it while creating an account. So I've entered my transaction pin. I'll now click on claim dividend. I've claimed this dividend. So I will not claim again till the next 24 hours. If I enter my transfer pin again, I want to claim again, I cannot claim again because I've claimed for today. So if I want to claim again, you say you can only claim once every 24 hours. So that is about it. So it's very simple. Step 1, activate your account. Step 2, fund your account. Step 3, buy market unit, and you can buy it. You can see that there are many market units here that are sold. So you can buy always at a lower price, sell at a higher price. That is how it operates. It's as simple. And always buy high units. It's very, very important. So activate your account, fund your account, buy market units, get your daily profit share. And also, there's what you call market indices. You can trade indices. But this one, before you go here, note there might be losses. There are chances of losses. So if you are not comfortable with losing money, don't come here. But if you want to take risk of getting more money, you can come here. So let me show you. You just choose any one of your choice. Like let me say I want to trade indices with 1,000. Let me use 2,000 naira so that you see how it operates. I am buying at this. I'll click on confirm order. That is 2,000. Then if you come here, you'll be seeing the live value. So you see now that I'm having a drawdown. So it means it is a loss. I'm already having a loss here. So I have to sell at a price in which I will not lose much. So I can click on any one of these four. So I want to sell. Let me sell at this. So it means I have lost like 500 naira. Let me see if I can get a profit as well. 2,000 again. So I'm now seeing 2,000. I'm having an up value. So I can sell 2,019, 3,000. You see, 3,458. So there are losses here. There again. You can also trade indices, or you can do the standard investing. Buy market unit in exchange and get your daily profit share. And through resell, you buy. Let's say what I'm talking about is you can buy 1 million units, or buy. Let me put it to you so they understand what I mean by buying high units. You can buy 1 million units or 1.3 million. Like me, I cannot sell less than 1 million units. So in order to qualify for this, at least this 100k per month, what you do is you buy 1.2 or 1.3 million units. You will be reselling the other. Like if I buy 1,300,000 units, I will always be trading this, reselling between these 300,000. I cannot resell more than 1 million. I cannot resell more than 1 million units. I can always be reselling more than. I don't know how to put this for you to understand what I mean. So I can be reselling 100, 1,000, 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, but I cannot resell more than 400,000. So I always keep 1 million units in my account. So that is how it operates. Just keep it, and that is the strategy. Buy at a low price, sell at a high price, claim your dividend. Like now, I'm claiming dividend almost every month. I get up to 500 multiplied by 30. I get 15,000 just from dividend alone. I get 15,000 just from dividend alone because I have 1.3 million units. And then from that 15,000, I also do reselling. I resell. I get more money as well. And every single month, you are entitled to get at least 100,000 as a partner. So you are not buying food stuff, you are not selling food stuff. You are just supporting the growth of zero hunger market through investing or through trading, and you get your money right. So I believe you have understood this. When you do it practically, you just get info. An agent will guide you properly. If you don't understand anything, an agent will guide you on how to do that. Thanks for watching.